Good morning. So today I have created a game. Let's get started. Before starting of the programming, let me just give you a very quick summary of what the game is all about. This is nothing but there are two players in the game. Each have been given 0 points initially and their turn is alternated. The computer would randomly pick a word from the list of words it has, shuffle it and then pose the question. Based on whose turn it is, the player is supposed to guess the word and he has to give his answer. If the answer is exactly matching with the word, his point will be increased by 1. Then the next thing is he will be notified whether he wants to continue playing or not. Even if one player says he wants to quit the game comes to an end. Then we need to thank them and update them with the status till now. So let's start with the programming. So we have to play. So here I have defined a function play to tell the computer that these things we need to do when we play. So inside play we will have two players and ask players to enter their name. Player 1 name and player 2 name. The name is up to you. You can give whatever name you wish. So initially both the player will start with 0 points. So I have in a slide both the player points with 0. Player 1 point, player 2 point. Now turn. So to keep track of whose turn it is, I have taken a variable turn and initially let it be 0. It's generally a practice in computer science to start the counting with 0. So this game will go on indefinitely until one of the player wants to stop. As long as both are willing to play, the game would continue. That is why I have taken this while loop and condition I have set to 1. That means true. The condition will always be true. We will end this only when the player wants to stop, and that we will see later. Here computers will pick some word from the list. So this is actually computer's part. Here whatever word computer will choose, it will be stored in the picked word. So this is the computer parts, and then after choosing the word it will create the question. The question is created by shuffling the picked word. Then it will print the question. Here we are printing the question. Now the computer's part is done so far. Now let's come to the player part. First we will start with the player 1, then player 2. We will alternate it. To keep alternating the turn, we would keep track of value turn. At turn 0, player 1 will play. At turn 1, player 2 will play. At turn 2, again player 1 will play. At turn 3, player 2 will play. And the game goes like this way. If you would see the even value of turn, it is the chance of player 1, and odd value of turn, it is the chance of player 2. So to keep track of even or odd, we will use modulo operator that would divide and return the remainder. For all even number, remainder is 0. For all odd number, remainder is 1. If the remainder is equal to 0, then this segment has to be done. So this is player's 1 part. All these are player's 1 part. So computer is asking to input the answer the player has guessed. Whatever the answer is given by the user, it will be stored in the variable ans. Now if answer given by the user is exactly equal to the picked word, then his point is increased by 1. So here I have added 1 in his previous point and updated him with the score here. Else part will run if answer is wrong. That's say better luck next time. I have taken a variable c to store the user's input, whether he wants to continue or not. So there are two possibilities. Press 1 to continue, press 0 to quit. In case he says 0, that means he wants to quit. Then we have to thank the user with the summary so far. So I have defined a function thank and passed both the player names and point they have scored till now. Then in the while loop. Here I have defined a function thank and passed player 1 player 2 name and player 1 player 2 points, and here we are printing scores, and here I have checked who is the winner. Then we will print the winner's name and draw if the both are scored same point, and then thank them, and then we are breaking from the while loop here. Else part will be done when the turn value is odd, that means player 2. So functionality is for both is same, and then I have increment the value of turn to keep alternating the turn, and we have called play function to play the game. Import random. I have imported random library, so I can use the functionality of random library. It is a predefined function. The random.choice is a predefined function to randomly choose a word from the list. Then random.sample is also predefined to shuffle the words. So there is the functionality to join that would join the words after shuffling it, and it is basically a separator. Here you can take any separator like comma and a space, and I have just taken a blank separator and then return the shuffled word. So thank I have already explained. So this is it. Let's run it. So that we can see how it is working. So it is asking player 1's name, please enter your name. So let's say ABC. Player 2 name XYZ. Guess the word. This is the shuffled word actually. ABC, your turn. The first player turns. So let's say water. It could be water. Yeah, it is correct. Then my score is increased by 1, and it is asking press 1 to continue, press 0 to quit. I am pressing 1. I want to play more. Next. I cannot guess this answer. So let's say give anything wrong answer. So it is saying better luck next time. Press 1 to continue, press 0 to quit. So I'm pressing again 1. Then is again ABC's turn. Anything wrong answer? Better luck next time. Okay, press 1. Then it will be players 2 turns. Let's say player. Okay, his point is increased. Then again 1. It's again player 1 turn. Rainbow. Again 1. Match. Then let's say 0. It is updating with the status. ABC, your score is 2. XYZ, your score is 1. Winner is ABC. Thanks for playing. That is it. Thank you.